Hello everyone, this is Susan Stewart at Colorful Dimensions 1014. Come on into the craft room. How is everyone? Thank you for being here. I wanted to do a little short video. I've been working on some things that be showing you guys in the future here. I really don't have anything planned for this week. I'm running a little bit behind on my videos, but you can come on in and see what I'm currently working on. So as you can see, the desk is a bit of a mess. And I've been doing some rearranging, trying to get the camera a little closer to the desk so that you can see a lot closer of what I'm working on. And I'm able to, bring you a little closer by using the I don't know what you call it on the iPhone where you bring things closer. Zoom. That's the word. Zoom. Anyway. So, Easter's coming up. A lot of people are kind of bypassing St. Patrick's Day here in the States. So, I'm not really, I don't know, I'm feeling a little in between holidays here. I did paint my nails, sorry about that, painted my nails green for St. Patrick's Day. My husband has a very ornery streak in him. So, I was going to make sure I'm wearing green. Picking up my bits here. Throw some stuff away. Not too much is happening other than I've been cleaning up my craft room, rearranging things, which I know I've already said that. I've moved some stuff off my desk. Still kind of working on moving stuff off the desk. I was working on a project today. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the base of the project. Really wasn't going to share, but I guess I'll go ahead and share. I'm not going to do a video on the base of what I'm working on because there's a lot of videos already out there on how to make your own thing. So I've decided to build my own Easter basket from scratch. This is using a popcorn box. The end of it. This has taken me 2 days to construct. It is my very first Easter basket, handmade Easter basket. I have been working on little bits of Easter things here. I've stamped out some Easter, I guess you could say, mock-up of what I'd like to put on the box. I haven't quite decided if I want to put this on the bottom and that in the center, or move this to the center and put that there. This is from stamp set from May made it. It's Easter 2.0, or it's Easter, hang on, Mr. Big Ears 2.0, and it may still be available at May's. I'm not sure about that. I know one of the sets, Easter sets, is no longer available. So I went ahead and played around with the decofoil on the eggs. This is a cupcake cup that's been, the center's been cut out of the center and re-pinched together to do the crimping. Smushed it all together, hot glued the center back in place, and then the Easter Bunny has been made into 3D form. So yeah, put that in the center. Anyway, that's what I've been working on. Excuse me. That stamp set. That's the original Easter Bunny right there. It comes with different eggs, different types of bunnies, a chick, and then this right here, which stamps a solid form, and then Happy Easter. I really like this stamp set. I've already used it a couple of times. So anyway, that's what I've been working on there. I did stamp out more eggs. And I get a hold of them. And then I did some chicks, and I'm missing a chick. But anyway, these are all painted with These are all colored with Adaxi alcohol markers, and then decofoil with the decofoil pen. The decofoil pen isn't really all that great to use in fine detail, so I'm going to have to come up with some other way of getting the fine detail using decofoil. I'm wondering if maybe I could use like a type of ink and then foil it. I don't know. I'll get it figured out. Anyway, it is a very warm, sunny day, and oh, I got some happy mail. Show you my happy mail. Where did I put my happy mail? My happy mail. I've opened my happy mail. this is what I got in the happy meal. Move my basket out of the way. I don't know if I want to. I'll go ahead and split that open, I guess. I'm not sure if I wanted to split that open, but I'll go ahead and split it open. This I bought from Mindless Crafting. And they're found on YouTube. They have their own store. And this paper pack is called Traveling Girl. I thought this would be good for a summer project. So we have Discover, Explore, Seek, Adventure, Bonjour, Mademoiselle, Ooh la la, Journey, Travel Girl, Bonjour, Journey, Como esta? Imagination, take me away, sparkle wherever you go, going places. Suitcases are cute. Two-sided. Looks like you get 5 sheets of those. I like this one a lot. That's cute. Interesting. I can't say if I like that or not. And you get 4 of those. Oh, that's cute too. Little Chinese lanterns. So if those are Chinese lanterns, then that's probably Chinese writing. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Oh, and stamps. Those would be cute in ephemera stamps. There's 5 of those. Oh. I like that. I like that a lot. And then little houses, Paris, Bonjour, Tokyo, Paris, your eyes and imagination, London, what's it say, Tokyo, Paris, just close your eyes and imagine, fly away. A journey just a dream away. Cool. I always wanted to go to Paris. that's it for that. Make sure it's not going to be sticky. So, there's just a tad bit stickiness there. I'll take this. Maybe it'll be a lot less sticky. Well, that's much better. Much better. So, there you have it. Oh, this is by Prima. Prima Marketing. Julie Nutting, Traveling Girl. 6x6. Then, yeah, I bought it from Mindless Crafting. You'll find their YouTube channel available. Put that away. My stash. Let's see, what else can I tell you? Oh, I did get a Misty platform. That's how I was able to stamp out the bunny rabbit. What else can I tell you? I think that's it. Just hoping that everybody is enjoying their day, and hope to see you soon, and talk to you later. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You can always leave a polite comment at the bottom. If you feel that I could change something, please tell me politely below, and I will get back to you on that. You will also find me on Facebook, Instagram. You'll also find my blog at wix.com. And yeah. Hope to see you soon. Bye.